Chichi. Oh! Oh. Well, I forgot you actually chew stuff. Gary, you want another one? It's a bit of a challenge because they're soaking wet. You want a harder one? These are made bite sizes for the fish. What are you doing? Gigi, it's literally this big. It's this big. What on earth? So do you just want it if it's... What on earth? Get the small bite that I specifically... That was the doggy slower side. Done. All done. All done. I love you, but we're all done, okay? We're done. I love you.